In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use public groups in Salesforce. If you've ever wanted to streamline communication and collaboration within your team, using public groups is a great way to do that. It makes managing permissions and sharing information between different users much easier and more efficient. So, let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is where it all begins. Next, you'll want to access the Setup menu. You'll find this by looking towards the top right corner of the screen for a little gear icon. This is where you'll access various settings to help you customize your Salesforce experience. Click on this gear icon, and then you'll want to select the option for Advanced Setup. This takes you to a more detailed menu where we can hone in on specific configurations. Now, in the Advanced Setup area, you'll see a Quick Find box. Think of this as your go-to search bar for settings. You're going to type Public Groups into this Quick Find bar. This will filter the settings list down to what we need today. When you see Public Groups in the list, click on it. This brings you to a page where you can view existing groups, but more importantly, allows you to create a new one. At this point, you're well on your way. You'll find a new button here that allows you to establish your own group. Click on it and you'll be taken to a form. The first portion of this form requires a label. The label represents the group and is your quick reference to identify what the group is for. After inputting a meaningful label, you'll need to enter the group name. This can be the same as the label or something slightly different if you need more internal context. Just make sure it's relevant to the purpose of the group. Now we get to the exciting part, adding group members. These can be specific users, entire roles, or even other groups you might have set up before. This flexibility allows you to tailor the group to fit your organizational structure perfectly. The last part of this process is setting the group type. This might vary based on your needs, but generally you'll choose something that reflects the primary function of the group. Once you've selected the group type, don't forget the most critical step, saving your work. Click Save, and there you have it. Your public group is ready to go. When used effectively, public groups can be an incredible resource for your team. It centralizes communication, saves time, and enhances collaboration. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this new tool immensely helpful in your Salesforce journey.